Hello guys, my name is Anton from ATM Tech and welcome to the channel. So first and foremost, boom. So the S21 Ultra looks to charge right out of the gate with ultra specs, looking for a second shot at the title of King of Android smartphones. The S21 Ultra sits above the S21 and S21 Plus in its own category that Samsung calls premium flagship. I have also dropped a video about the S21 and S21 Plus, so if you're interested in those phones, go ahead and check that video out. So everything that was good or great about the S20 Ultra has made a return in the S21 Ultra. You've got the beautiful, bright, vibrant screen at 120Hz, speedy performance, the famous 108 megapixel camera, as well as a 5000 mAh battery. These things have all returned as better versions of themselves. So if we start with the screen, it has shrunk slightly from 6.9 inch down to 6.8 inch. However, the 120Hz is now accessible at its full resolution of Quad HD. So the Ultra has either the Snapdragon 888 or the Exynos 2100 depending on your region. But this time round, the gap between the two chipsets has been virtually closed with no real difference in performance. Unlike previous generations where the Snapdragon was clearly superior, the 108 megapixel camera has made a return with better processing and improved lowlights. But what has also been added is two telephoto lenses, one 3x and one 10x, to give you a bit of extra versatility. And of course the infamous 100x space zoom, again with improved processing and better stabilization this time round, which is something I'm going to be testing in my full review. So on the surface, these aren't huge changes, but they're definitely quality of life improvements, things that will go a long way in this phone's life cycle. I am particularly interested in putting the camera through its paces, so feel free to subscribe if you want to see an in-depth camera test. Now if you remember the S20 Ultra, one of the first things that pops into your mind is that big, huge, protruding, ugly camera bump. Now with the S21 Ultra, it's still huge and protruding, but they definitely sorted out the ugly parts. This time round, the bump melts around the sides seamlessly into the main body, and the camera housing itself is made out of metal for additional protection. While we are looking at the back of the phone, this phantom black variant that I have has a nice textured matte finish, similar to what we saw with the Note 20 Ultra and the S20 FE. It feels great and it's definitely more fingerprint friendly compared to mirror finishes that Samsung have used in the past. So to quickly touch on spec, the S21 Ultra comes in 12GB of RAM with 128GB or 250GB of storage, as well as a 16GB of RAM and 512GB worth of storage. Now something that a lot of Samsung users won't be used to is if you are going to buy an S21, have a long hard think about which memory version you need, because for whatever reason Samsung have taken out the expandable storage. Expandable storage has been a staple of Samsung flagships for quite a while now, so it's interesting the fact that they've decided to take it out. Something else that's new to the S21 Ultra is full S Pen support. This support is only available on the Ultra variant, so you're out of luck if you want to go for the 21 or the 21 Plus. Something that's interesting and what I think is a good idea is that the pen isn't included in the box, so you have to really think and make a decision whether you need or want the pen, as opposed to the pen coming for free and it never getting used. For now it is just a basic S Pen without any Bluetooth features, but you do have the choice of buying the pen on its own, or you can buy it as part of a bundle with a case that has a housing to hold the S Pen in. I did see an S Pen Pro version that had full Bluetooth support, but at this point there's no word as to when it's coming in the UK, so I can't really speak on that much. Something that I'm going to mention but not talk about too much in this video is the fact that the phone doesn't come with a charging brick. In the box you get the phone, a user manual and a C-to-C cable, and that's about it. The phone does support 25W super fast charging, you just need to make sure you have the right brick or go out and buy one. Samsung did reduce the price of this charger, so that does take a bit of the sting out of it. This has been just a quick hands-on first impressions, but I will be doing a full review very soon once I've spent a bit more time with the phone. So definitely subscribe if you want to see that. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, it's always appreciated and it goes a very long way. But anyway, I'm Anton from ATM Tech, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.